Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Redshift clusters using AWS Backup Vaults, full guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your Redshift clusters using AWS Backup Vaults, log into the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Backup service by searching for Backup in the Services menu. Select Backup Plans from the left sidebar. Click on the Create Backup Plan button to start a new backup plan. You can choose to build a new plan from scratch or select a template. If you choose to build from scratch, enter a name for your backup plan. Define the backup rule by specifying the frequency of backups. Choose how long you want to retain your backups in the retention settings. In the Resource Assignment section, click on Assign Resources. Select Amazon Redshift as the resource type you want to backup. Choose the Redshift clusters you wish to include in this backup plan. Once selected, click on Assign Resources to finalize your selection. Next, specify the backup vault where you want to store your backups. If you do not have an existing vault, you can create a new one at this stage. Review all the settings you have configured in the backup plan. Click Create Backup Plan to finalize and save your settings. After the backup plan is created, you will see it listed on the Backup Plans page. To initiate the backup, navigate back to the dashboard and select Backup Jobs. Here, you can monitor the status of your backup job. Ensure your backups run as scheduled, or manually trigger a backup if needed. Once completed, you can verify successful backups in your designated backup vault. In case of any issues, refer to the AWS documentation for troubleshooting guidance. You now have a functional process for backing up Redshift clusters using AWS Backup Vaults. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.